The Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam is a high-performance front and rear dash camera designed for ultimate road safety and security. Featuring 4K Ultra HD resolution for the front camera and Full HD 1080p for the rear, it delivers crystal-clear video quality to capture every detail on the road, even in low-light conditions. Equipped with the STARVIS 2 sensor, this dash cam provides exceptional night vision, ensuring sharp and clear footage regardless of the time of day. The Wide Dynamic Range (WDR) technology enhances visibility in bright and dark environments, making it a reliable companion for all driving conditions. With built-in 5G Wi-Fi, the Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam offers the fastest download speeds up to 20 megabytes per second, allowing you to view and transfer footage instantly via the mobile app. The included free 128GB micro SD card ensures ample storage space, so you don't have to worry about running out of memory. The 3-inch IPS display makes navigating settings and reviewing footage effortless, while the 24-hour parking mode provides continuous surveillance, keeping your vehicle protected even when parked. The motion detection and G-sensor technology automatically save and lock important clips in case of an accident. Designed for easy installation, this dash cam is perfect for commuters, rideshare drivers, and anyone looking for extra road security. Its high-quality build, advanced features, and user-friendly interface make it a top choice for drivers seeking reliable video recording. For those looking for a premium dual dash cam with cutting-edge technology and superior video quality, the Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam is a must-have. Check out the link in the description below to get yours today.